You can now use reduced-size electromagnetic loads in vibroacoustic simulations. For the electromagnetic applications, the cyclic symmetry feature uses a sector representation of the engine components to significantly reduce the time required to solve the simulation. Set your sector size to match the replications present in your motor. For instance, a machine with 5 magnets can have 5 slices of 72 degrees. In Simcenter 3D model and load preprocessing, you can now import the slice of the electromagnetic solution and distribute it to the full model seamlessly. After importing the source file, you can use the sector to full section command. The software will automatically recognize the angle of the slice and display on the screen how it is interpreted. In addition to cyclic symmetry, you can also benefit from the axial symmetry using the mirror toggle. For a 72-degree cyclic and axially half slice, you can accelerate the electromagnetic simulation by up to 10 times. For the demonstrated axial flux machine, the cyclic symmetry should apply to 180 degrees. Once imported to model and load preprocessing, the sector to full section feature now recognizes the 180-degree slice and displays in the UI. You can apply sector to full, mesh mapping, and Fourier transformation. This can be done for both stator loads and rotor loads, thanks to rotating mesh mapping. After the loads are prepared, they can be added to the solution with the rest of the simulation objects and constraints. The vibroacoustic model can be solved, and the acoustic field is computed with the complete loads accounted for with both cyclic and axial symmetries.